In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polished Word document layout with a custom background accent, a two-color design theme, header icons, and a clean formatted table. We'll start by opening a blank Word document. Beginning with a blank page gives you full control over the layout and makes it easier to build a professional design from scratch. Once the document is open, go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and use a shape to create a custom background accent. This can be a rectangle, banner, or another simple geometric element placed along the top, side, or corner of the page. The goal here is to add visual structure without overwhelming the content. After placing the shape, adjust its size and position so it feels intentional and balanced, and use the shape formatting options to make sure it sits neatly behind any text if needed. Next, choose a distinct two-color palette for the document. A combination like navy and gold works especially well because it creates strong contrast and looks refined, but the main idea is to select two colors that complement each other and remain consistent throughout the page. Use one color for major titles or section headings, and the other for borders, accents, or supporting elements. Keeping your palette limited to just two main colors helps the document look coordinated and professional instead of overly busy. Now move to the header area and add custom icon shapes for phone, email, and location details. Use simple, recognizable icons that visually match each item. These icons help organize contact information and make the header easier to scan quickly. As you place them, focus on spacing and alignment so the icons and text feel clean and consistent. Be sure to avoid including any real personal contact details in your final document unless they are appropriate for public use. Placeholder information or general labels are a safer choice during setup. After that, format the line item table. Apply light gray alternating row shading to improve readability. This subtle striping effect helps guide the eye across each row and makes the table easier to follow, especially when it contains multiple entries.